What do you do when you are the fluffiest of fluffy people and clothes just don't fit right? If you're like me and you struggle to cover the fluffiest booty in the land, plus your shoulders are very narrow, well then you alter what you have. This green and white top is a hand-me-down I've had for years. It's never fit well, always falling off of my shoulders. I've always liked the uneven hem and how flowy it is, but because I didn't know any better, I folded over the shoulder seam to bring in the neckline. Since it still doesn't stay on my shoulders very well, I decided to take out my handiwork and start over. My solution was to put a box pleat in the center back, which worked, but it pulls in a weird way. But since I can't see my backside and it fixed the issue, I'm happy with it. I hope that you found this helpful and that you'll subscribe for more videos. And now, here is why I struggle to get anything done.